Are you tired of frizzy, dry, and unmanageable hair? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a natural, rebonding hair mask that will leave your hair shiny, smooth, and healthier than ever before. This powerful DIY treatment deeply nourishes your hair and gives it a salon-like finish right at home. Let's get started with the ingredients and the process. First, we are going to take 1 medium-sized beetroot. Beetroot is a fantastic vegetable, not just for your body, but also for your hair. Begin by peeling the beetroot completely to remove the outer layer. Next, cut the peeled beetroot into small, manageable pieces. This step helps the beetroot cook evenly and release all its nutrients into the mixture. Beetroot is rich in essential nutrients like protein, vitamin A, and calcium. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining scalp health and encouraging the healthy growth of your hair. Not just that, beetroot also helps to tighten the pores on your scalp, reducing hair fall and controlling oiliness. Now take a saucepan and pour in about 2 cups of water. We'll add the chopped beetroot pieces to this water. Now it's time to add our next key ingredient, rice. The famous Yao women from China are known for their beautiful, long, and silky hair. Their secret? Rice water. And today, we're incorporating that into our recipe. Take 2 tablespoons of rice and add it to the beetroot water. Rice is full of goodness: amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, and antioxidants. It helps smoothen rough hair strands, increases shine, and strengthens the hair shaft. It also supports hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles deeply. Next, let's move to our third hero ingredient, coffee powder. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee and add it to the saucepan. Coffee is not just an energy booster, it's a miracle ingredient for hair. It stimulates the hair roots, helps stop hair fall, and even promotes regrowth. It makes your hair naturally softer and shinier. And yes, it also helps to gradually reduce the appearance of gray hairs. Once all ingredients are in, give it a good mix using a spoon. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for a few more minutes. So all the ingredients release their nutrients properly. Once the ingredients are cooked well, go ahead and turn off the flame. Let this mixture cool completely. Don't rush this step. as hot liquid is difficult to blend and can damage your blender. Once cooled, transfer the entire mixture into an electric blender. Blend it thoroughly to create a smooth, creamy texture that's easy to apply to your hair. If you notice any solid particles, don't worry. Now, filter the blended mixture using a fine strainer or a clean cotton cloth. This step is important to get a smooth hair mask without any chunks, ensuring easier application and washing later. And that's it! Your natural rebonding hair mask is ready! This powerful mask not only stops hair loss, but also revives bald spots by stimulating new hair growth. If you found this useful so far, don't forget to click the like button and support the channel. Now it's time to apply the mask. First, dampen your hair slightly using a spray bottle or a wet towel. This helps the mask spread more evenly across your hair. Now, apply this mask, starting from your scalp and working your way down to the tips. Make sure to massage gently to stimulate blood circulation and ensure the ingredients penetrate well. Once your hair is fully covered, put on a shower cap to lock in the moisture and allow the nutrients to absorb better. Leave the mask on for 30 to 45 minutes. This is your time to relax and let the mask do its magic. You can use this time to unwind, read a book, or enjoy some music. After that, rinse your hair thoroughly using a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Avoid harsh shampoos as they may strip away the benefits of the natural ingredients. You can store the leftover mask in a clean bottle. Just make sure to keep it in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness. How often should you use it? If you have high porosity hair, you can use this treatment once a week. But if your hair is low porosity, it's better to do it once every 15 days to prevent product buildups. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this at home, let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes.